All right, y'all, let's get into another one of these beautiful wigs. As you see, I'm showing you the box. It's a very nice box with a pull tab, girl. And look at this little satin bed that the wig was laying in. Now, this particular unit is a 12-inch bob. And it came in that box, great for storage. And it was laying in the satin bed. And it came with this like that little cap right there, but we didn't use that cap. So now I'm showing you the wig. I'm showing you that, running my fingers through it. It is no shedding. It is 100% human. The lace was pretty good. If you can see, it's a pretty good. It had, I believe, 6 combs. Now it do have like the hooks for that band, but it did not come with that band, which I wish it would have came with that band, because I actually like wigs that come with that band, because we're not going to glue this one down. We decided not to glue it down. So now I'm showing you the part, and it's like what you call like a 360 part. You part it wherever you want to, girl, whatever best fits you. That's how you part it. Now, I actually love the feel of this wig, the length of this wig, so I just threw it on. And so y'all can see what it looked like before we get to working with it. And just combing it. And now I'm trying to part it. Now, if you had a flat iron or something that you could just lay it down, you will be able to see how easy it is to lay down. But I love this unit. I love the density of it. I love this unit, and 12 inches was just perfect for me. So I'm showing you how you can part on this side, you can part in the middle, you can part on the other side. And that's my little wig installer peeping in, trying to see am I ready to go. So once I got it on, she came on in and she was telling you guys what she was getting ready to do. But then she realized that she was on there and she didn't have her wig installed. So she decided to stop, put on the cap. And right here, she's just telling you guys about the part, about the lace, about, didn't even have to pluck it. We did not dye it or bleach the knots. But what we did do, we did spray a little tint on it. And she's just telling you about how easy it is to comb through, how there's no plucking. And now we're getting started. She's showing you we're getting ready to tint the lace. I'm trying to get out the way, girl, so stuff won't get in my face. She's showing you what it looked like. Once she tinted that lace, I mean, it was just perfect, y'all. This is such an easy unit. And I wanted to do it like this time because, everybody might not. Let me say this. We are no professional. She's no professional. And everybody is not. But we was going to glue it down. And then we just decided to show how easy it was. We're not going to glue it down. So what we did do was put a little glue just around. We had the cap on. And then we decided to take the cap off. And we just put just a little glue around my edges because I knew I was going to sleep in the unit because I like to sleep in to see how to do. So she's showing y'all right here that we decided to take the cap off. We're not going to glue the unit down. We're going to put just a little glue around the edges. Right here, she's cutting the lace. She cut it, and then she went in and trimmed the lace. And now right here, we're just parting and making sure we got everything good, making sure it's sitting good. Because, when you don't glue them down, they do have a tendency to slide back. So we're trying to make sure that we got it in the right place to put just a little glue, like just a tad around the edge so it won't move. You'll be able to see what I'm saying when she do the close-up. So now she's getting ready to show you the close-up. I'm showing you how it moves. You see now it's straight and the part is in the middle. You see how easy it is to comb. So we're making sure that the part is in the middle. We're making sure it's straight. Making sure it's not going to move, because I told her I was going to curl it and sleep in it. I ended up not curling it that night. I put something in it, but I think I took them out. But I did sleep in the unit, so now we're giving you an up and close. Look at that. Now just imagine if we had have glued it down. But look at that. Look at that. That looks so good. I'm telling you guys, this unit is such an easy throw-on unit. Hi guys, it's me, Dawn Thrifty Finds, and welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, don't you know, it's a thrifting show, girl. Listen. I don't know, y'all will probably see this before the new year, but if it happens to be after or before, I still say, baby, welcome over 2024, girl. We doing new things, baby. New adventures, honey. Living life, girl. We getting it done. So if you don't know by now, this channel was founded basically on thrifting, but that don't mean you stay there, baby. You shift around to a little lux for less. You shift around to a little bargain shopping. You shift around to a little sprinkle think or cook with me, girl. Girl, you got to be flexible, girl. You got to have some variety in your life. Add a little color. All right, girls. So with that being said, welcome to my channel. I am Dawn Thrifty Finds, and as I said, this channel was founded on thrifting, but also I love bringing you guys lux for less. That's the whole purpose really of this channel, was because I found out that thrifting, you end up finding so much stuff. You get so much good stuff in the thrift stores that's luxury, and it might not have what you think is a luxury tag, but baby, you get silk. I mean, you get the top of the brands, okay? But for a little of the cost, and that's what we want, because we all want to save what? Money. With that being said, guys, I'm so grateful to have you. All of my old subbies that have been down with me. Please welcome our new fam bams to the family. Welcome them over. Even if you don't know anybody or recognize anybody, if they're new or not, just say welcome to the fam bam. Just say anybody new, welcome to the fam bam. Now, with that being said, girl, we just talked about Lux for Less, and I know you have already seen the thumbnail, girl. Girl, bringing you Lux for Less, I have to talk again. And I told y'all, if I don't believe it, if I don't like it, you won't see me talking about it. But girl, we got to talk about Irresistible Me again. Now, I know the box has oil on it, girl, because I had oil on my hands earlier, and it ended up getting all over this box. But just look at this box, girl. This box even say Lux. Girl, this is so nice. And then have the audacity to have a little tab here. You can pull it out. Girl, then it had her just sitting all off up in there all pretty in that little satin-like bead. That's enough said. But with that being said, let's get into this unit, girl. So I told you guys earlier, or I showed you guys earlier before I did this portion of the part, how good the unit was and how the unit is set up. Now, I did something different with this unit because the prior unit, and I'll show a little photo or a little slip of a video here or on this side. It'll be up somewhere, girl, and I'll leave it in the description box. But prior to the other unit, we did what we do? We did come on, brain girl. We did glue. We glued it. So this one, because I wanted to be very versatile in showing people, because first of all, let me get this out here, because you know you had beauticians, you had these people, and they like the girl that ain't right, you ain't doing good, you ain't melt the lace. Listen, that's what I love about these units, because I wanted to do this one with no glue like that, but just pop it on your head, and that's what I did. First we did a wig cap, and then I decided, and nothing wrong with having a wig cap, you should, but I decided I didn't want the wig cap. I was just gonna do all natural, girl, because my hair was already braided down. So girl, look at this unit. I just popped it on. I cut the lace. We ended up cutting the lace and popped it on. Now I'm gonna tell you, because I knew I was gonna sleep in it, I did put a little glue on the side just to hold it down to keep it from moving. But look at this unit. This is a 12-inch human hair ball. Girl, this is so nice. Now, this is the thing I like about it. Girl, you gonna see it was sent to me straight. And ain't nothing wrong with a little straight. But girl, when you got a little zazz and a little pizzazz in your life, girl, you want a little curl. So baby, I put some, girl, I love this unit. I put some curls in it. Do you hear me? And now listen, I went old fashioned, because you know we season. And when we season, we do seasonal things, baby. I did some rollers, girl. I just bumped it. This is the thing, y'all. I put a little mousse on it. I curled it up for maybe an hour. And just let it loose. And look at the curls. Look at that. Now, this is another thing I like about the unit. You can wear it over here. You can wear it in the middle. You can wear it, what they call like a 360 part. Girl, part it where you want. If this ain't your side, girl, part it over here. I just don't want to mess it up. That's why I'm not flipping it over. But girl, you can just, because I'm getting ready to go somewhere. And we going just like this, okay? Honey, what? Who you talking to? Let's talk about this unit, girl, so we can get on off of here and get into some things, girl. So, let's talk a little bit about this unit. And I will show some video of what it looked like on the side and everything. I don't have my real glasses, girl. I just had to get these little readers. But anyway, it lets you know soon as you get the unit, you open it up, you take it out. And it does give you a little bit history right there. We'll say it's a hair made easy, 100% human hair, zero stress transformation, zero damage, recyclable packaging. And you can save it and put it in that box. I love it. And then it just gives you some care tips. And it says can be heated style up to 120 Celsius, 250 Fahrenheit, can be dyed or darkened color. It can be washed with fully organic, alcohol-free, sulfur-free products only. Always use heat protection when styling the hair. Store in out of direct sunlight and in a cool place. And they actually give you the packaging to be able to do that. It's so much more I can actually say about this unit. I absolutely love this unit. I do feel like it is big head friendly. I do feel like that you can use it. Oh, let me share this, guys. So you actually have, guys, lace in the back. So you actually can do like a full lace and like pull it up. Can you imagine this pulled up a little down in the front and you like pull it up like, you know, in a bob? Y'all, it's so easy breezy. It's so easy breezy. I absolutely love it. I'm trying to think of if I forget anything, guys, let me read off the actual site. But if I forget anything, guys, it will be in the description box. It is, if I'm not mistaken, on sale. And you can absolutely use my code to get even more savings. So it says, 100% natural human hair. We only source the best quality hair and have a 99% quality rate since 2013, girl. It said you can get your favorite hairline. That's another thing, guys. We didn't even pluck this one. We didn't even do nothing to it. We didn't dye the lace. We just tinted the lace. And it just fit in perfectly, guys. Just perfectly. And it says our front lace wig comes pre-plucked and it allows you to choose your favorite hairline. The lace is only in the front half of the wig. Now this one does have lace in the back. So you can part the hair any way you want for a perfectly natural look. You get free returns and exchange. I didn't tell y'all that last time. Always exchange and returns are on us. Girl, listen to that. Zero stress and zero charges for you. Expect around 10 business days processing time. Now, you can't ask for anything better. You can get a human wig and it's already on sale. You can use my code and get extra discount, girl. Then if you get it, girl, do you hear what they said? You can return it back on them. You can't ask for nothing better. I love this unit. Please try it out. Again, this is a 12-inch bob. But girl, I curled it. And I just flipped it because I didn't want the part in the middle. So I just flipped it and put a little curls in it. Okay? Please put me some love. Show them some love. They are offering this unit on sale. If I'm not mistaken right now, you can use my code and get you an extra, I believe, 10% off, girl. You saving already on human hair. It is very lightweight. And I like that. A lot of people like, you know, heavy density wigs. This is not, if you like that, then this is not for you. This wig is not a heavy density wig. I'm not sure of the density on it, but it is very lightweight, and that's what I like, girl, because I don't like being hot in the head. So this worked perfectly for me. And also, with that being said, I just wanted to take the time out to thank Irresistible Me for giving me the opportunity to work with them, girl. I absolutely love it. I'm loving my units. I love the other unit as well. I'll pop a picture up, baby. That was my color. That was my jam. And I loved it. I've just been loving it, girl. I can't lie. I'm loving it. So with that being said, please be the solution to somebody's problem. Thank you so much again, Irresistible Me. Y'all make sure y'all pop on their website, girl. Find something you like and use my code to get you some savings, girl. And please be blessed and be grateful and thankful, girl. Because if it's not 2024 yet, it soon will be. So happy. 20, girl, y'all see that? I had to do happy. Girl, 2024. Hey.